Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Eastern Church. So, kapag sinabing Eastern Church, the Eastern Church now, known as the Orthodox Church, separated from the Western Church or Roman Catholicism in AD due to theological, political, and cultural differences. While both traditions hold to core Christian beliefs, their divisions remind us of the importance of unity in Christ. True unity is not found in institutional alignment but in shared faith in the gospel and the life centered of Christ. So, ayon po sa John chapter 17 verse 20 to 23, my prayer is not for them alone, I pray also for those who will believe in me through their message, that all of them may be one Father, just as you are in me, and I am in you. May they also be in us, so that the world may believe that you have sent me. I have given them the glory that you gave me, that they may be one as we are one, in them, and you and me, so that they may be brought to complete unity. Then the world will know that you sent me and have loved them as even as you have loved me. So, ayon po sa ating katuroan, the unity is spiritual, not merely organizational. So, yung totoong unity po is spiritual siya. Hindi lang po siya basta-basta merely organizational. So, next is showing this unity in the church is opposing Christ. So, yung mga hindi daw po walang unity sa church is kumbaga opposing kay Christ po. Dapat kasi nga po sinasabi true unity is spiritual. So, next po, true Christians are converted to Christ, not to a religion. So, yung mga totoong Kristiyano ay converted sila kay Christ. Hindi lang basta sa religion. Kumbaga, sinabi mong Christian ka lang, religion lang yun. Pero hindi ka naman na-convert into a Christ. So, para naman po sa ating application, pursue unity in Christ and avoid causing division. So, i-pursue po natin yung unity sa ating Panginoong Jesucristo and iwasan po natin yung mag-cause ng division, kumbaga magkaroon ng dividing. So, next is love fellow believer despite differences. So, mahalin po natin yung mga fellow believers po natin sa ating Panginoon. Magkakaiba man tayo ng religion. Kung Christian man yan, or Roman Catholic, mahalin pa rin po natin sila. Dahil isa lang po ang ating pinananampalataya. So, last is focus on what unites rather than what divides. So, mag-focus lang po tayo sa pagsasama-sama, hindi yung sa pagkakaiba-iba. Yan lang po, maraming salamat.